This is Emma, a 23-year-old dental student. She's now in the second year of the Dental Master Program of the Radboud University Nijmegen. Twice a week, Emma works in the SRDC, where most of the clinical work in the master curriculum takes place. At the start of the day in the SRDC, Emma and her team arrive in the SDC for the briefing. The briefing is chaired by one of the students. After the briefing, Emma chooses the EPA she's going to work on today. Here we see Emma treating her patient, supervised by an experienced supervisor. At the same time, about 10 fellow students treat their own patient, also supervised by the supervisor. Emma and the supervisor discuss the treatment of the patient, and the supervisor gives Emma feedback. At the end of the morning, Emma completes a digital EPA form. She reflects on technical aspects and professional behavior during the treatment of one particular patient. Emma sends her completed EPA form digitally to her supervisor. The supervisor opens the EPA form and reads the self-assessment of Emma. After that, Emma and the supervisor discuss the EPA form. The supervisor completes the EPA form with additional feedback. Here we see the self-assessment of Emma, including the feedback of her supervisor. The supervisor and Emma complete the EPA form, and the supervisor closes the Scorion program. Using EPAs, students are gradually entrusted based on the work they have been showing in the past practicums and the trust supervisors give them for the future. During their years in the SRDC, students build up an extensive portfolio of EPAs, including self-assessment and assessments by supervisors. Both students and supervisors can see all EPA forms and feedback at any time. Here we see the so-called dashboard that gives an extensive overview of the portfolio of the students, both on group level and individual level. In total, after 3 years of participating in the SRDC, Emma has approximately 240 completed EPA forms in her portfolio. After 3 years in the master program and in the SRDC, Emma graduates. Her extensive portfolio now is a good starting point for the rest of her career, since she can use her past experiences to build onto and to become a lifelong learner. For more information, contact Radboud UMC University Medical Center Dentistry.